killing mosquitoes. The war on West Nile is fucking real out here. Good morning, it's Ryan Kruesi Originals. I think it's morning, it's probably what, 10, 9? We're still plugging away on this bagger, building a bagger on a budget. We're kind of at a weird part right now because we're waiting on some bag rail, the guards back here from Santora Fabworks, so I can put the back end together and start building these reservoir mounts. But I need this shit first so I can kind of set everything up and make it right. I also need to machine the gauge mount and the back of this bracket, so I'm going to run the wiring back to the inside of it, but I need to machine that. But I need a new vise for my mill because I turned my vise into a jig for making Delrin sliders, so kind of forked myself right there. So I'm going to just do some tedious little shit today that needs to be done that I don't really want to do, but it needs to be done. So I'm going to pull this thing off the lift. We're going to set the neck bearings, kind of go over like how that 3-swing shit works, which we're not really going to use the 3-swing. I'm going to go just straight feel because this is a different front end, and I don't really do that 3-swing shit anyways. I think it's far too loose, especially if you're shredding a bike. I don't like a wobbly front end. I like a little more tension. We're going to mount the inner fairing probably. It's a new fairing. We got a new inner and outer. It's all paint match black, just Harley gloss black. I might work on putting the gauges in. I don't know. I'm just going to do some fornicating bullshit today. That's what I'm going to do. Bill just came in off the streets in his pajamas this morning.
I got to cover up if I'm not lifting, you know.
Looks like my old lady in one of my t-shirts today. I'm going to take this bitch and center stand off, so if anybody wants to buy a center stand and you have stock suspension, because this bike's way too tall for this shit now, call the shop. You can buy it for a reasonable price. Looks like there's only one bolt holding her on, so she's pretty solid. Man, that's something I'd be real confident in right there. Oh, that's some quality shit. Well, here she is. Center stand. Easily installed with only one bolt. Clamps right on, grabs a hold of some shit. Apparently it works because it was on here and somebody was using it. For sale. $100. Well, that's one task done. I really thought that was going to take longer. Give her the performance bagger test number 1. Can I take it off the lift without using a ramp? Will she bottom out? What do you guys think? I'm thinking it's going to bottom out. Oh! Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. It's a mockery. I like that so much now that I'm looking at it. Maybe get rid of the gauges altogether, actually. This feels good. This feels really good. It's all about pretending. It all starts with pretending. I like to put several pretend miles on a motorcycle before I get into it really too hard. Good where it's at. I haven't even done anything yet. So I got these guys torqued. Bottom ones are pinched. This pinch bolt is loose because I'm going to set the neck bearings now, and one of these needs to be able to slide on the tube. So when we set the neck bearings, I'm going to have the top one sliding, but I kind of just have them mocked up where they are, and it feels really good. Normally on a stock front end, you go like this and you let go of it, and it's supposed to go. I don't like that shit. It's real loose. It's not slow. It's not too fast, too slow, makes them fucking track weird. When they're too fast, you get this shit going on, especially at high speeds. Little shimmy. I'm gonna clamp that bitch down and be done with it. Torque this guy to 35 foot-pounds. I'm gonna mock up all the hand controls over here, grips on it. I wish I had fucking shit to machine this right now. That would make my life a lot better. I'm trying to figure that out. I'm trying to figure out how to machine this shit right now. I want Dyna bottom ones, so they don't have this shit, and then I want to get gold switches. Do her fancy. It's fishing. That's how I used to do it back then. Thinking fast. Just came up with a good idea. Just hit myself right in the nuts. I'm on a fucking trial and patience. This is it. That's what's up. Easy fucking peasy. Man, this fucking sucks. I need lower switch housings for this chrome. For Dyna though. That one?
Lower like the...
Yeah, these have the fucking CD controls and all that shit. I want to get rid of that, so order chrome lowers for a Dyna, like early 2000s, and gold switches. Yeah, blinker, run, stop, horn, power, all that jive. tie them up all real nice with some fucking safety wire, probably. Make it look cool. And then lock it down right there. I might make a cover for this. I don't know yet. I don't know out of what, but something maybe. Yeah, I think I might call it. What time is it? Yeah. That's it. I mean, it doesn't look like we did shit, honestly, but this was a lot of work. This was an all-day project. We started at like 9:30 this morning. It's now 3:30, and I got right here done, basically. Yeah, that really is it. I torqued the top tree, and I machined this and got wire through the handlebars in about an 8-hour day. So, I mean, it could be done faster, but it won't be done as nice. And it's still not done yet, but this is what it kind of takes to get into some shit like this. I got nothing else. Kruesi Originals. Kruesi Originals on Instagram, KruesiOriginals.com for every one of these parts on here. And if you don't see him on here, call the shop. Trent, he's real friendly. He's over there doing real friendly shit right now. So Kruesi Originals. Remember, like, subscribe, ring that bell. Stay posted because there's going to be a stunt tail build coming right after this. And then an M8 Road Glide. Man, I need more time in the day. God damn it.